broccoli. We love broccoli. We picked these because they're container friendly and only 48 days to harvest. Up here in the north, you gotta have, short seasons. You gotta get short growing times. Brussels sprouts, King of the North, Tam jalapenos. Way less heat on these. Great for poppers if you don't like too much heat. Onions, come on. Just poking some holes here with the end of my Sharpie. I like to put 2 seeds per hole, 2 holes per cell. This is a 6-cell tray. The container, the little greenhouse container, fits 2 6-cell trays, so they have 12 in there. They have holes at the bottom. Don't forget to label. I do it every year. These Tam jalapenos, though, like I was saying, I mean, they're no heat really at all. They got that jalapeno taste, which I like. My kid likes. These King of the North regular peppers, these bell peppers, they get pretty big, pretty blocky. These are great for stuffed peppers, which we do often. But make sure when you're packing this soil in too, you're packing it down pretty good. Not too crazy, but pretty good, because when you pop them out, you wanna, you don't want it being hard, pulling on roots, falling apart. But a nice solid base. And these labels. I say don't forget to label, but I do it every year. Big dummy. These domes right here, you want a little crack like that left in it. That's how it will go. Onions, we F these up. We F these up. 2 holes per cell. 2 or 3 per this. I'll thin them out as they go. I'm gonna plant these around as a guild around my fruit trees that I'm having out there. That's a whole nother project in itself, but pat it down. They like to be kind of lightly on top. Nice tip, the smaller the seed, probably the less deep you want to go with them seeds. And then, regular jalapenos. These are hot, for sure. I like them, Nobody else really likes them. But I like them as a spread. We make like a little jam out of them, put them on burgers and stuff. It's just something totally different. Definitely should try it. Ooh, almost put them in the wrong packet. That would have been fun. These red Marconi peppers, I don't know. I've been hearing other YouTubers, nothing but good things about these. Apparently they grow a lot of them too, so that'd be interesting. They're sweet, so my kids would like them. Fiance would like them. Poblano peppers. I mean, I know a lot of people that grow these, but I mean, what can you go wrong? Non-GMO, heirloom seeds, you know what I'm saying? Best way to go, in my opinion. Don't want to get jumped. Labels, labels, labels. I got these labels on Amazon. It's like a 50 pack or something like that. It's crazy. Maybe even more than that. It's pretty thick. Pause. These cayenne peppers. I like spicy stuff, like I said, so I'm gonna try to dry these out and make some, some red pepper flakes or something. What's next? Oh, can't forget that. I think these peppers, these sweet peppers, these are great for freezing. They last longer. They're just bell peppers, but they're good for containers too. And I think they only have 65 days to harvest, which is pretty decent. Peppers take a long time to germinate. You probably want to have a heat mat under them too up here in the north. Here I'm just about to start watering them, get them nice and wet before I put them up in the windowsill. This hose, man, thank God we upgraded, because this hose makes such a difference. Water this one too real quick. Alright, that's that. And then these covers, make sure there's a little crack. See that? Right there? Keep it a little open. That way you don't grow no mold or anything like that. These things take time. You grow some mold, all down the drain. You can get these on Amazon too. It's a pack of like 12 or something like that. Pretty nice. Cheap too. Now before you put them up in the window, make sure, I'm in the Northeast, so it gets kind of cold, short season, so I put a heat mat that will fit this whole tray. Perfect. Gets the heat, gets the sun. And I'll slide that back a little bit. Perfect. Don't mind the dishes, guys. Oof. Alexa, do the dishes. Thanks, guys.